Welcome to Lesson 4 of Introduction to Data Management course. This lesson covers master and reference data management capability. After this lesson, you will be able to understand fundamental concepts, people, process and technology aspects of master and reference data management. Let's start with master and reference data definition.
Master data refers to the data which are agreed on and shared across the enterprise. Typical example includes, but not limited to, customer, employee and product data and so on. Reference data is the subset of master data that refers to the data that defines the set of permissible values to be used by other data fields. Reference data usually have simple structure, like code and value combination. Typical example includes, but not limited to, country codes, industry classification and so on.
Master and reference data capability is about to ensure centralized management of the data, which are shared across the organization and used by different applications. Such data need to be identified and categorized in order to be effectively managed. It's time for an example to see how master data really works. On the screen we have two employee records sourced from two different applications. Although it looks like that both records refer to the same person, some attributes, like name or date of birth, are represented on different way. For instance, one data record contains name Jennifer McCall, and other data record contains name Jen McCall. The date format is different in date of birth attribute, but the value is the same. In addition, both records have the same social security number, which indicates that both records refer to the same person. That is a first step in master data management, to identify potential matches. Once the potential matches are determined, as a next step, master data management system applies business rules to match and merge the records. In the final step, master data management system creates master record with consistent data representation that can be used across the applications. In reference to course objectives, this slide covers process aspect of master data management.
Now, let's see an example how reference data works. On the screen we have two employee records, and one of the attributes is state. As you can see, the state is represented with some abbreviations. Similarly as for master data, in the first step, reference data management system determines records for lookup. In the second step, reference data management system provides lookup from reference table. Reference table is actually mapping table that maps valid values, in our case state name, with values representing the same data across the systems. In our case, FL abbreviation will be replaced with valid value Florida, and N.York will be replaced with valid value New York. In the last step, reference data management system updates sources with valid values, in this case, valid state names. In reference to course objectives, same as for master data, this slide covers process aspect of reference data management. Same as for metadata management and data quality, the master and reference data management process should be included into System Development Lifecycle Process, are also known as SDLC. In reference to course objectives, this slide covers process aspect of reference data management.
Let's discuss further the difference between master and reference data. Here is the set of questions that can help to determine whether some data belongs to master or reference data category.
For instance, if we look at item 1, the question is the data entity sourced and stored in multiple systems? Both master and reference data represent shared data across the organization, so if answer is yes, then data entity is a candidate to be classified as reference and master data. Now, let's take a look at item 5. The question is, does the data entity have multiple associated attributes? Remember that we defined reference data as code value combination. So, if entity have multiple associated attributes, it should be categorized as master data.
These questions can be used as a tool to determine and classify master and reference data entities. The key role in master and reference data management is MDM specialist. MDM specialist is the role responsible to perform activities associated with the master and reference data management. Although this is the role specific to master and reference data management, MDM specialist will closely work with business owners, data stewards, technical owners, and data custodians. Key responsibilities are related to design and implementation of MDM product. For example, definition of MDM attributes, creating MDM mapping document, and so on.
In reference to course objectives, this slide covers people aspect of master and reference data management.
As any other capability, the master and reference data process needs to be supported by technology tools. Here are the tool requirements. 1. Out-of-the-box support for multiple domains, like customer, product, location, and account. 2. Efficiently manage relationship between domains, for example, customer to product. 3. Categorization, grouping, and hierarchical management of master data entities. 4. Powerful data deduplication algorithm to identify and remove duplicate records. 5. Ability to easily configure critical data elements required for matching according to organization's requirements. And 6. Ability to set up business rules to persist accurate, up-to-date, and most recent information, resulting in creation of single data record.
In reference to course objectives, this slide covers technology aspect of master and reference data management.
Before we complete master and reference data capability, let's make key takeaways.
Master data refers to the data which are agreed on and shared across the organization. Reference data is the subset of master data that refers to the data that defines the set of permissible values to be used by other data fields. Master and reference data management help data standardization process across the organization. Key role in master and reference data management is MDM specialist. There is a criteria, set of questions, that can help in classification of master and reference data. Typical master data are customer, product, and employee. Typical reference data are gender, city, state, zip code, and marital status. Key features of MDM tools are related to classification and deduplication of data.
That's all for Lesson 4, and master and reference data management capability. Now, take some fun and complete the quiz to check your knowledge. The next lesson is about data integration capability.